have got a ton of work completed since last week already. We have got all of the main structural walls framed up so that we can now start installing the floor above us. You can see up here, the whole west side of the house, all the joists are laid out and they're starting to install plywood onto the joists. One of the important things that I always look for at this stage is also to see that the framers have been putting glue into the bottom of the TJI hangers. It's extremely important to make sure that we don't have any squeaking and weird noises in the future. You know, again, I come by and check in on things, as do our project managers. He's here a lot more than I am. But honestly, we're in really good shape down here. Let's just kind of bring the camera around over here. Looking pretty good, right? I think it's looking incredible. Very much excited to see this continue to come together. Again, I feel like we're doing as much as we can to be in front of any problems on this project. We have got a ton of beams in place. We've got floor joists in place. One of the things that I find when we work with new trades is sometimes we don't necessarily have an alignment in exactly how all the details are going to be done and get together. And so we just have a chit chat about it, get on the same page and make it right. At the end of the day, our goal is to make sure we deliver a phenomenal quality product for our clients. We take so much pride in what we do and what we leave behind. It is so important to us and for us to do a great job for every client every time. I really hope you'll consider reaching out to us to build your next house or renovate your current home and turn it into something phenomenal. No matter how bad you think it is, we can always make it better. Thank you so much for watching. Stay awesome.